Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging the PC, then ground yourself to avoid static damage. Once done, remove the case panel and position the system where you can work comfortably. Locate the motherboard's M.2 slot and confirm the keying and lane support so you pick the correct NVMe drive. Make sure you have the tiny screw and a Phillips driver ready. You'll need to unscrew the standoff before inserting the drive. Preparing these essentials prevents interruptions mid-upgrade. You insert the NVMe by holding it at about a 30-degree angle and sliding the gold fingers into the slot until it seats firmly. Once seated, press the module down over the standoff and fasten the tiny screw. Snug it, but do not strip threads. If your drive or case recommends a thermal pad or heatsink, place it now and recheck clearance around neighboring components like a GPU. After securing the drive, replace the case panel and reconnect power so you can boot into setup utilities. You boot into BIOS or UEFI to verify the motherboard, detects the NVMe, and set PCIe mode to the recommended X4 or Auto. Adjust boot order if you're cloning or installing an OS. Once in your operating system, open Disk Management or Disk Utility to initialize, partition, and format the NVMe using GPT for modern systems. If the drive is missing, reseat it and the screw, update the motherboard firmware, and check lane sharing or BIOS device settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.